Alright guys, so I hang to the Fast and Furious roller coaster construction. It's my 18th update. 2 more updates until season 3. Alright guys, so we finally made it, and this is how. Alright guys, so we finally made it, and this is how it looks now. And I see some pines going in. Water. And I don't see any.
Well, they moved Dom's car, huh?
And I don't know where Dom's car could be. Maybe they had to update it.
No, I do not want you climbing up there.
He did. And earlier when we were heading to the studio tour, I saw the name at the end. I saw the name at the entrance. And I took a picture with it. And earlier on the studio tour, my tour got Maisha. My tour was about the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift that will be opening next year. I think there are 2 points over there. It's usually for the water. Only for the water. And you know, there's its own soundtrack. I'm going to see anything. There might be. I think there might be. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.